All right. So now we're gonna quickly review our quiz 6 from our spring 2026 session. Question 1, we're asked to find the equation of a line that is parallel. Anytime you see parallel, you want to think same slope and different y-intercept. And it's parallel to this line. So we want a slope of 3/2 in our equation. And then passes through point six comma -8, which is our x1, y1 point. So point slope is how we're going to find the equation, but we want to eventually put it into our slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. But we first need to use our point slope form first, which is y minus y1 is equal to m in parentheses x minus x1. Substitute in the values accordingly. And then simplify. So we end up with y minus -8 equals 3/2 x minus 6. Minus negative is just plus, so y plus 8. Distribute that 3/2 equals 3/2 x minus 18/2. We're going to go ahead and subtract 8 from both sides. And we get y is equal to 3/2x minus 18/2, which is just -9 minus 8, which ends up just being -17. So our final answer is y is equal to 3/2x minus 17. And we're done. Let's go ahead and move on to our second question, where we're being given f of x is equal to 4x plus 5, and we want to find f of x plus 2. So wherever you see an x, we are going to create some parentheses. And then inside those parentheses, we are going to fill it with your x plus 2. And then we're going to just simplify. Use distributive property, we get 4x plus 8 plus 5, which means our final result, f of x plus 2, is just 4x plus 13. And that's it. So easy enough. This was once again our quiz 6. And if you have any questions, just let me know so I could help clarify. All right, take care, everyone.